So we took a little bit of a break for a while, and a couple of guys came out. They're hanging out with us. Woo! I flew past that corner. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm taking a break. My arms are killing me. Holy crap.
Pretty quick.
My arms are killing me. Walker's still faster than me, but I'm...
Did you use the boost?
I didn't use the boost. That's why I was slower.
No, I was saying you should use the boost, man.
I should have used the boost, man. Walker, heads up. There's a guy on a bicycle up there. Don't hit him. Hold on.
No, man. Radio? No, it's not radio. Actually, it's busted. That's it's supposed to tell the time. Yeah, and the speed and all that good stuff, but...
I didn't use the turbo.
Turbo, man. How many times I got to tell you? Too much boost.
Probably gonna ride the streets for a little while. That was just really, really awkward. That guy kept asking the same questions. Is that a motorcycle? Is that a dirt bike? Can I sit on it? And it was just really awkward. So we were trying to get the heck out of there. So yeah, guys, definitely stay tuned. We'll probably be doing a video there pretty soon. I'm not sure exactly when, but we're probably going to do a video there with like a little race or something. We'll figure it out, but definitely subscribe. Definitely make sure to not miss it. Gotta hit the jumps again on the way out. Woo, that was sketchy. You going in down there now? Let's see. There we go.
I think we messed up.
Oh, we're stuck. Don't do that. Justin's got his bike propped up there. I see you, Justin. I'm up here, baby. Yeah, I know I'm wild, bro. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
You're all good.
Did you go through that?
I went on this side.
Oh. Feels unsteady. You wild. Gosh, you gotta be going 50 miles an hour, man. Okay, left. I'm turning left. I'm glad you were ahead. Oh gosh. Woo! That got the side of my pants dirty. Oh my gosh, what the heck is wrong with my idle? My idle is at 4,000. It was my idle screw. It's somebody's house and he went up there.
Yeah.
Look, he turned around, he's like, no, no. Free couch. All right, and we are back on the road again, so you know what that means, wheelies. I'm doing pretty good, man. I'm calling you. I'm on the phone. Hello. Doing pretty good, man. Oh, I had to hang up. I had to hang up, man. I'm sorry. I'm going fast, man, and the wind is pushing me. Ah. I'm going as fast as Justin. Red light. He hit me. What's up, man? He better not hit me. Is he gonna make the corner? Oh my goodness, did he get that good? Oh, come on, Tyler. Yeah, woo! Yeah, he's killing it. Oh, foot touch. Oh, that was hard. Yes. That touched. It's hot. It's hot.
I know. I got good gloves.
Wow, what a way to end it.
Come on.
How'd it come off? Oh, you know what? That one piece broke.
The weld on it broke or something?
Yeah.
No, the damn God.
That's the header.
Oh,
What the heck?
What did the weld broke?
Yeah.
Bro, I was running open header.
So basically, what it is there's a weld that goes all the way around this that attaches.
Yeah.
I got the same exhaust.
Hey, that sad face.
That's like a $600 exhaust.
Oh, are you
$600 for that exhaust that tore
Not
apart?
anymore. Not anymore.
competition work?
It's not.
Now these ones are like.
Well, this is
400.
actually worth like 2 right now. I mean,
Not
it's
even
current.
that. That's worth like 50 cents.
Yeah.
Well, Tyler, that sucks, man.
I was pissed because
I'm
I couldn't
sorry.
Figure out how to fix it.
Look at it, it's just laying on the ground.
I could push you home. You want me to push you home?
Dude, I'm telling you.
Send it.
Oh, I turned it! Oh, yeah!
sounds like a
That sounds like a
bubble.
bubble car. Oh my god, I gotta get this.
It's like this.
Whoa, let it go, let it go, let it go. What the fuck?
All right, well, that was pretty crazy. We're going to end it here, and make sure to subscribe. See you guys later.
Is it cool enough to pick up?
You're cool enough to pick it up.
I am.
No, it's still warm.
Oh yeah, that's fucking hot. I almost
Oh,
touched
it's
it.
First person to grip it for 3 seconds is a man. Wow, what an idiot.